Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek with pull-out sprayer, single handle, high arc, stainless steel finish kitchen faucet, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. It is a modern kitchen faucet with a pull-out sprayer, single handle, high arc, and matte black finish. It is made with ceramic disc valve technology for smooth operation and leakage prevention. It also features a 1.8 GPM flow rate for water conservation. Invite ultra-modern styling into your kitchen space with the bold, minimalist Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. Its geometric forms, squared corners, and straight lines are sure to draw attention, while the refined aesthetic makes a bold statement. Enjoy versatility designed to accommodate tight backsplashes and small kitchen spaces. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. Single handle design offers modern, streamlined aesthetics and easy one-handed control of water flow and temperature. Pull-down spray head provides flexibility and convenience for rinsing dishes, filling pots, and cleaning the sink. High arc spout provides ample clearance for filling large pots and pans. 19 inches tall, forward-only lever handle, ideal for kitchens with tight backsplashes. Matte black finish offers a contemporary and sophisticated look. Solid brass construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Modern kitchen faucet with pull-out sprayer. 1.8 GPM flow rate. Ceramic disc valve technology. Toggle between spray and stream modes using controls on faucet spray head. Flexible supply lines not included with this pull-out kitchen faucet. One-handle kitchen faucet with forward-only lever handle for compatibility with close backsplashes. Single-hole kitchen faucet compatible with 1 or 3-hole. Installation deck plate included. Here are the key features of the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. Modern design. Pull-down sprayer, single-handle control, high arc spout, 1.8 GPM flow rate, ceramic disc valve technology, lead-free construction, multiple finish options. Additional features: ADA compliant, accessible for individuals with disabilities, limited lifetime warranty, guarantees both finish and function for as long as you own your home. Water efficient, helps conserve water and potentially lower your water bills. Cal Green compliant, meets California water efficiency standards. Here's a rundown of the pros and cons of the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. Pros: stylish and modern design, pull-out sprayer with 2 spray modes, single handle control, ceramic disc valve technology, water saving, ADA compliant. Cons: matte black finish might show water spots. Single-hole installation only. Overall, the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet is a stylish and functional option for modern kitchens. It offers a variety of features and benefits, but it's important to consider the potential drawbacks, such as the price and limited spout reach, before making a decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Pfister LG534LPMB Arkitek Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.